Up top young crooks. Hey YouTube, it's a boy Odane coming to you again with another video. You know where we are again in the streets, you know? On the main. You know what I mean? Who is out here? Merciless is out here. You know what I mean? Who else is out here? Richie is out here. We're on Airport Road. On our way out to airport right now. It's about what time now? I'm not sure the time, but you know the time is modern. You know what I mean? I take a look at time. I go to the airport, you know what I mean? Yeah man, can fly where I fly that earlier man, you see me? So yeah man, so just look out for that when we reach out there, you see me I say? Yeah man.
Don't know it's a boy short boss here again, with no fear again. And we out here on the airport road, you see? And we are make the most tour them in Jamaica, especially a plane when they have foreign long time. I don't know that. But you don't know, so I check out the show in the night, so stay tuned until you see we again, you see, because you have to see we again, you can't stop see we, you got tired to see them in your face, yeah. You see me this star?
We out here.
Hold them out, them merciless. No gear. That you have to tell the people them around here.
We start there, but we just reached, you see me I say? Who they here? Bike Life Chris. You know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm out here with the mini trail. You see me I say? Oi. Ready man. So I'm put on the show, you know what I mean? I'm all to car, full tank I guess you know. Talk to them no man.
Where yourself man, just watch it.
Yeah. No, let's try it again. We just said that a while ago. We just said yo, let's try it again. So I just stop it here now. Roll out, madam me. Them out here, what's going on?
Let's try again,
Eh. Who there? Yeah, who there? Bakery there. Bakery. Yeah man, the crooks them out here enjoying the stretch, you know? Stripe out here to you see, stripe on the crooks them out here enjoy the stretch, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I put on a look show, you see it. That's Bike Life Chris with a stoppy. Yeah man, I hit that man. General just walk out, you see me I say, who they here? Nearly make them know say out here no man.
Yeah man, yeah.
Nearly done. Out here. Buckley, who that? Chunky boss. Man stunt a chunky. See me I say, dog go and sip on a one cup, you know what I mean? Yeah man, go and build the vibes and hold it. See me, we are watching young crooks, them and say them are going with, you see it? Ah, mad. Yeah man, a chunky that. One of the old legends, them, you see it? Yeah man, watch the young crooks them. Where's the fuck? Yo, come in with the international arm to your brother. Watch it, bite, nah, start away, don't run out like petrol. Mad.
trip wall out with the heavy park, you know.
What is wrong with you?
Heavy front end, man. Deep tire trip wall. Heavy shot squad.
Bakery. To your bakery. Safe and sound, isn't it? Back on the flat. You don't know our back. You see it? Yeah man, national, real G this. He make sure it's reaching, you know? You see me I say? Yeah man, national. You see it? Yeah man, you don't know. Like stunts. Them man, you see me? All the way out here. You see me? Bike Life Chris. Next stunter, he make sure it's reaching safe and sound. You see me? Yeah man, see him there? Trailer boss it. You see it? Yeah man, you don't know say Richie. Yeah, up on the block. You see me I say?
There I see him with.
Yeah man,
we out here,
merciless. You see it?
Without no fear.
Stripe stunts, you don't know. Yeah man, stripe stunts are what?
Stripe Stone. Come on Instagram, go check out Stripe Stone.
Ah, yeah, here, there. You see me? So yeah man, viewers, thanks for watching. I will soon again in another video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. You see me I say? Yeah man.
I need anything you know want right down underneath your video. Right underneath it. What you want this boy do next? What you want Odane to do? Leave your comments down below, viewers. Leave it down in the comments below.
What we do next in another video, you see me? Right in the comments and make you know what go on. See Stripe here? Stripe willing to do anything you say him to do, you see me? Right in the comment and tell him what you want him to do.
Ugly, what about the thing? Tear off.
You see it? Yeah man. Just comment what you want Stripe, Chris or National Bakery. You see me? And Crocodile himself. Yo, just comment what you want the crooks them do. You see me I say? And then we deal with it. You see it? Don't know we're out here. Out.